Ai Sardi Imti Amateur. Thank you, Mara. Good evening. I, Snita Dar Sadhu, take my position today to extend a warm welcome to the esteemed guests and all the invitees of the day. We welcome Kailash Mehra Sadhuji to KP UAE, Dubai. The auditorium, as expected, is charged with the unalloyed glee the KP UAE NRIs take in welcoming the living legend, Mrs. Kailash Mehra Sadhu. The legend who has brought so much pride to our motherland, our India, and above all, we Kashmiris. As a mark of respect for our nation, let's all rise for the national anthem. Thank you. Kindly take your seats. Kids there, you were brilliant. Ladies and gentlemen, KP UAE Forum, in association with the Consulate General of India, UAE, reiterates its guiding principle of sharing the essence of Indian social unity and its cultural richness for the first time to bring such an event under the banner of Indradhanush of CGI Cultural Wing. Dubai, being one of the greatest global example and multicultural and multi-ethnic people living together in peace and harmony, is providing yet another opportunity to make the ties even stronger. An event of such a magnitude would not have been possible without the support of our sponsors. Thank you, sponsors. Yetinchme Pewan, Maj Laldildhins Ak Bakyad, I'm pan sadras, Naivicha Slaman, Kaiti boyje daimyon, Meti dina tar. I'm in Taken, Points and Shaman, Dilchum Brahman, Gargatsa, Dilchum Brahman, Gargatsa. It's my honor tonight, ladies and gentlemen, to present before the August gathering Malikai Ghazal of Kashmir, Srimati Kailash Mehra Ji. As protocol demands, I was supposed to give introduction to Kailash Ji. But do you think that she needs an introduction? You go serious song na? Her soul-touching voice, full of dard, mithas, and serenity is her introduction. Yes, perhaps one may be curious to know how this daughter of soil rose to the pinnacles of such unparalleled success. Kailash Mehra is a household name among Kashmiri families in India or abroad. Born in Nainital in 1956, she received her education in Srinagar. Kailash Ji's teacher, Surupnath Sapru, spotted her talent when she was just in 3rd standard and honed her to be known as Limbi Pamposh. Sri Sapruji, her guru, gave her basic training in music, and later his son, Bhajan Sopuri Ji, her Guru Bai, guided her in Kashmiri light music. Mostly singing Bhajan Sopuri Ji's compositions, she has equal regard for Nasirullah, Muhammad Ashraf, Krishnji Langu, and T.K. Jalali, the big names in Kashmiri music industry. Today, we have amidst us one such singer, Mrs. Kamod Jala Bhatt, who has been lucky to be chiseled in the art of music by Kailash Ji herself. Here we have Kamod rendering Guru Vandana. Over to you, Kamod.
गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः.
What better way to pay obeisance to the Guru herself, okay? Audience, this was just the trailer from Shishya. Imagine when we have the Guru herself on the stage, to kya kayamat chha jayegi. Mata Saraswati has been generous in gifting her with a sweeter and sweetest voice, which enthralls the youngest and the oldest in a family equally. A toddler refusing to slip into slumber till his ears catch the soothing rhyme, Hukus Bukus, Tilvan Sukus. To the group of ladies who hurdle together, may it be a Mekhal, Manjrat or Maharaj Maharni Hundyun, to sing Partho Gilas Kul Naital. Go a step further, where every Tataji, Kakni, Jigri, Bobaji, Choti love to hear Bitma Yedur Chon Zarai, Bal, Mar, with a tear slipping from the edge of their eyes. That's the magical spell Kailash Mehraji's singing has. Kailaji earned immense fame and appreciation from the very onset, singing Kashmiri ghazals and songs, and her recordings in Kashmiri, Urdu, Gujarati, Sanskrit, Punjabi, Hindi, Persian, Badrawahi, Pahari, and in Kannada languages have been appreciated by millions. She shot to fame in 1974 with just 2 songs, first being Karsa Myon Nyay Ande Mar Mande Madan Mar, and the second was Masbu Go Sai Raat Ke Pyalai Halo. These 2 songs, Kailaji says, are very close to her heart as they were very popular then and even now. She was given the title Malika-e-Ghazal in 1993 by Jammu Vikas Sanstha. The Sadiq Memorial Committee awarded her the Mehboob Awami Fankara in 1981, and she was chosen the best singer by the Shribar Samarak Smiti in 1980. Kailaji married Vijay Kumar Sadhu in 1980. I believe it was love at first sight, ma'am. Kailaji is blessed with 2 sons. After her marriage, she added her husband's surname Sadhu. She says, I was recognized as Kailash Mehra, but my husband's role is equally important in developing my personality and image after my marriage. That is why I put Sadhu after my name. Kailash Mehra, ma'am, I tell you, Sadhu bahus are tufani mazhar. Now, audience, let's take a sneak peek into Kailash Mehraji's life and achievements. The brilliance of the light does not diminish despite its repeated use to light many more lamps. Let us reverently beckon the light of prosperity on this auspicious occasion by lighting the ceremonial lamp. I would request Kailaji to kindly come up on the stage along with Mrs. Shanta Ganjujala ji, one of the community's bravest women. Chai ji, yes, that's what she is known as, is the wife of late D.N. Jala, the then SSP Srinagar, who lost his life while escorting the then Union Cabinet Minister Mr. Arun Nehru and Mr. Arif Mohammad Khan in the infamous accident over the Sangam Bridge in 1984. Having lost her husband at such a young age, she allowed her son, Mr. Ramesh Jala, to join J&K police during the peak of terrorism in Srinagar. Mr. Jala, currently serving as SSP Crime Jammu, has been conferred the prestigious President's Medal for Gallantry and Sher-e-Kashmir Award for fighting militancy in the state for over 25 years. He has faced so many terrorist attacks personally, and even today, he has multiple pellets embedded in his several parts of the body. One can only imagine the amount of pain that this brave lady has been suffering for over 30 years with grace and a smiling face. Today, it's an honor for our KPUE community to welcome her to this event. May I request Hiraji to kindly do the honors for her? Also, we have another respected member, a successful businessman and philanthropist, Mr. Lokesh Fotedar. He's the man behind the well-known bakery, Mr. Baker. Lokeshji has always been a torchbearer for any KP gathering and never misses to boost any event in any form he can. Displaying his enthusiasm once again, he has arrived this morning from Switzerland to just be today here for this program. Thank you, Lokeshji. Appreciate. Can I call Ms. Vandana to honor Mr. Lokeshji? I request all of them to light the ceremonial lamp. Walking, the tart and the Mataji. She is Tiara Bhatt, ladies and gentlemen, and he is Shohul Kaul. Thank you, dear. Excellence is never an accident. It's always the result of high intention, sincere effort, intelligent direction, skillful execution, and above all, perseverance. The quality that took even a snail to the ark. Our tonight's legend, ladies and gentlemen, truly depicts that. One such person achieving so much is no ordinary. KPUE community felicitates Kailash Mehraji today with the Lifetime Achievement Award. I respectfully entreat her esteemed self, Kailashi, to kindly enlighten us with her presence on the stage. Ma'am, can we have you on the stage? Ladies and gentlemen, she is getting a Lifetime Achievement Award. Can we have a standing ovation for her? May I request Mrs. Shanta Jalali and Lokesh ji to kindly felicitate Kailash ji with a token of gratitude from the KP UAE community. Thank you, Auntie and Uncle. Kailaji, we would request you to stay on. Stay on. I would also like to call the backbone of tonight's gala event, our musicians to grace the stage. Can we have the musicians? On tabla, we have Mr. Anish. On octopad, we have Mr. Kumar. And on the keyboard, we have Mr. Mustafa. Can we hear it loud for them? Yum gatsan khosh rozen teli like a mazur mahfil. Now I request Kailaji to address the gathering before she takes on to the realms of melody. Kailaji.
Namaskar, Sarne. मैं खुश करान कशर पर बोलूं August gathering all the organizing team मैं was actually one mood के मैं दिस योर नाव सारने हिंद ऑर्गेनाइजिंग टीम मगर आई फील के ज़रूरत छुन बिका तिम छ सरी खड़ा छे एमकिन के कहाँ ती इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइज करुन इट्स नॉट एन इजी जॉब बट मुश्किल छ मगर टुवर्ड्स one's community the dedication for our culture. Everywhere in the world I have seen Tuta dedication such suri asan legit and kitpach suri yim programs organize kara. That month raat me just Pankaj Ganjuji sab sud. जीलू से मेरी बात होती रहती थी जीलफ और संजय कौल जी गॉड ब्लेस यू मेरे साथ बिल्कुल राब्ता था। और सुनीता साधु सदन हंस नौश वैस पर सद नौश छे बड़ टैलेंटेड सारे नौश छे आसान कामोद छे मैन but lovely प्यारी सी बच्ची student. She was very obedient when she was in college and very talented in fact, and she hails from a musical family. God bless you. Her elder sister was also my student, Komal. हीराजी भट्ट रात ब्याक स्टूडेंट तो छू मैं नेशनल स्कूल कहती खड़ा क्या नाम क्या है अजय. God bless you. I feel so honored myself. और यहाँ दुबई में नीता वली और सतीश वली जी, शायद वली साहब अभी आए नहीं हैं. अच्छा, थैंक यू सो मच. और नीता वली हमारी बेटी है, इसको हम बेटा जी कहते हैं घर में. और शी लव्स एवरीवन फ्रॉम द कोर ऑफ हर हार्ट ऑलवेज. बड़ी प्यारी बेटी है हमारी. थैंक यू सो मच. एंड एवरीवन प्रेजेंट ओवर हियर, थैंक यू सो मच. मैं सोच रही थी कि ये आपने ऐसा वेलकम आज पहली बार मुझे ये आज आपने, इट इज़ रियली फैंटास्टिक. ये कहाँ कहाँ से आपने फोटोग्राफ निकाले और गाने भी निकाले. थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच. और जितने भी आप सब आज यहाँ प्रोग्राम देखने आए हैं, आई एम रियली थैंकफुल टू एवरीवन. मुझे एनकरेज करने के लिए जब इतनी अच्छी ऑडियंस सामने होती है, आप लोगों ने हमें, कोई भी कलाकार हो, जब उसको सराहा जाता है, उसको चाहा जाता है, तो वो अपने काम में निरंतर लगा रहता है, उसे आगे बढ़ने की प्रेरणा मिलती रहती है. सो आई विश्ड कि आज मेरी कुलीग भी, मेरी बहुत सीनियर मैडम जयजयवंती जी पारिमू आज होती, मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगता. तो बट शी हैड टू गो इन इंडिया. और म्यूजिशंस टीम भी अच्छे रात में जस्ट यमन, तो आई फाउंड दे आर वेरी गुड. थैंक यू सो मच. तो मुझे लगता है कि ज़्यादा गाने और इसके बीच में ना आया जाए. और आपका यहाँ आने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. और जिस तरीके से फॉरेन कंट्रीज़ में आप लोगों ने अपने कल्चर को इंडिया से ज़्यादा प्रिजर्व करके रखा है. इंडिया में इतना, इस तरीके से, इतने एंथुजियाज्म के साथ और इतने डेडिकेशन और डिवोशन के साथ आप जिस तरीके से अपने कल्चर को यहाँ प्रिजर्व करके हैं, हैट्स ऑफ टू यू एवरीवन. थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच. मैंने पहले भी कहा था, लविंग मी सो मच. और आई विल ट्राई माई लेवल बेस्ट कि हमेशा अपना जो हमारा कल्चर है, कोशर कल्चर छो, ये कोशिश की ये गसी दुनिया की कूनस कूनस मज गस वातो. तो बे आके लटे तो सार ने होंद योर इन खतर सठा सठा शुक्रिया. तो बच्चे से इजाज़त यछान कि बकार ये प्रोग्राम शुरू. थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you, Kailaji. We are really honored. Bye of the banner. The long wait has come to an end as I request Kailaji and the group to take up their positions and take us on to the moon, Zuninish, with her melodious songs. May I ask the audience not to stop the clapping till the stars of tonight take on. Can we have it for them? The first half of Kailaji's is as per her songs, and after the break, she will cater to the audience requests. We have the volunteers with the slips and pens for sending your requests. Any distractions on the stage during the program won't be appreciated. However, the floor for the roof is open for you all.
ये लिकातिकार छो इस कारण भगवान के नाम से शुरुआत की जाती है और आज के प्रोग्राम की शुरुआत एक भजन से मैं करूँगी, कबीर के भजन से। उसके बाद कश्मीरी और उर्दू गज़लों का सिलसिला चलेगा। वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। या कुन्देन्दु तुषारहार धवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणा वरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युत शङ्कर प्रभृति देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निशेष जाड्या